Part 12. It wasn't easy. We began walking home. Now, Murad is telling, just clarifying. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first, it wanted to run wild. But as I have told you, I have a way with the horse. I can get it to want to do anything I want it to do. Horses understand me. He has a way with everyone. We told earlier. What we find here, he has a way with the horse. For all the horses. He has a way with everyone. We'll find that a way with the dogs, way with the birds, way with the peasants, the farmers. To everyone, he has a way with. Horses understand me, he declared. How do you do it? I said. I have an understanding with a horse, he said. Yeah, but what sort of an understanding? I said. A simple and honest one, he said. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse. Now, Murad just show an ear. What he told? You're still a small boy, he said. When you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. Because Adam is 9, but Murad is now 13. I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. Ate a hearty breakfast. What does it mean? It means a good breakfast. What he got into his house, he consumed it with his heart's elation. Right? That afternoon, my uncle Khosrav came to our house for coffee and cigarette. That Uncle Khosrav, the crazy man who always shouts, "It is no harm, pay attention to it." He sat in the parlor, sipping and smoking and remembering the old country. Actually, he was good for nothing. He used to spend his time. That's why he came here, smoking cigarette and sipping coffee and all these old things, he said, with that air of Matop body. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro, the last of the active characters, human. Named John Byro, an Assyrian who, out of loneliness, had learned to speak Armenian. That we do when we go abroad, if we have to be there for good number of days or a year or two or so. So we start learning the local languages. It is helpful for us in our communication. An Assyrian who, out of loneliness, had learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. What happened earlier, people are given the tobacco and they place the tobacco inside the paper and just rub it and then smoke it. It was very dangerous without filter. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. And then at last, sighing sadly, he said, "My white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it. That his White horse was not left his stable this morning. It was lost or stolen, rather, 1 month back.